Good evening, Rahul.
Very good evening, Wisdom Tree.
How was your day today? What did you learn in the class today?
Today our maths teacher was on leave, so I did not learn anything new.
So, you had a free period and you must have enjoyed.
No, a substitute teacher came and she asked us to practice what we had learnt in the previous class.
What did you practice?
I was practicing multiples of numbers. I found something interesting.
What is it?
First I wrote the first 20 multiples of 3 and then I wrote the first 20 multiples of 4. I saw that some multiples were present in multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Is that possible?
You are correct. Sometimes we come across numbers which are multiples of more than one number. In your case, while writing the multiples of 3 and 4, you will find that 12 and 24 are multiples of both 3 and 4. They are called common multiples. Let us learn more about it by seeing how the princess learned about common multiples. Today, we shall learn about common multiples. As I had told you earlier, after performing yagnas, Guruji offers free food to people who come to the yagna. So, the day before the yagna was performed, Guruji asked the princess to build a large tent for everybody to sit in the shade. Everybody started working immediately. After the tent was finished, it was to be decorated with flowers and ribbons. The tent was supported by many wooden temporary pillars. Guruji asked Arjun to paint numbers on the pillars. Guruji called Bhim and asked him to tie a garland made of yellow flowers on pillars which had multiples of 5 marked on it. Then he asked Dushasan to tie a garland made of blue flowers on pillars which had multiples of 8 marked on it. After some time, Guruji saw that Bhim and Dushasan were fighting over something. He called them and asked what the reason was for the fight.
Guruji, pillar with the number 40 is mine, and Bhim is trying to tie his garland to it.
No, Guruji, pillar number 40 is mine.
Actually, you both have to decorate that pillar, as both will get 40 as a multiple of your respective number.
How is it possible, Guruji?
Call your friends. I will teach you about common multiples. Children, in your earlier class, you have learnt that the multiples of a number are obtained by multiplying the number consecutively by the natural numbers. List out the first 10 multiples of 2.
The first 10 multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Good. What are the first 10 multiples of 3?
The first 10 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Now look at both the multiples of 2 and 3. What do you notice? We see that some numbers are common in both of them. They are 6, 12 and 18. Such multiples are called common multiples. When two numbers have same multiples, they are called common multiples of the number. Now consider any two different numbers, say 4 and 7. List the first 8 multiples of 4.
The first 8 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32.
Now what are the first 8 multiples of 7?
Multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56.
Here also we observed that number 28 is common to both 4 and 7. So 28 is a common multiple for 4 and 7. Now one of you come and write the first 10 multiples of 6 and 8 in the circles.
6 multiplied with 1 is 6. 6 multiplied with 2 is 12. 6 multiplied with 3 is 18. 6 multiplied with 4 is 24. 6 multiplied with 5 is 30. 6 multiplied with 6 is 36. 6 multiplied with 7 is 42. 6 multiplied with 8 is 48. 6 multiplied with 9 is 54. And 6 multiplied with 10 is 60.
Very good. Now write multiples of 8.
8 multiplied with 1 is 8. 8 multiplied with 2 is 16. 8 multiplied with 3 is 24. 8 multiplied with 4 is 32. 8 multiplied with 5 is 40. 8 multiplied with 6 is 48. 8 multiplied with 7 is 56. 8 multiplied with 8 is 64. 8 multiplied with 9 is 72. And 8 multiplied with 10 is 80.
Now children, do you find any numbers common in these multiples?
Yes, Guruji.
Come and write it in the yellow ball.
Numbers 24 and 48 are common.
Very good. These numbers are common in both the multiples. Hence, they are common multiples of 8 and 6. Consider another example. List the first 20 multiples of 3.
The first 20 multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57 and 60.
Good. Tell me the first 20 multiples of 6.
The first 20 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72, 78, 84, 90, 96, 102, 108, 114 and 120.
Now children, can you find any number common in both the multiples?
Yes. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on.
Good. These numbers are common in both the multiples. Hence, they are common multiples for 3 and 6. Now, coming to the situation of tying the garlands. I asked Bhim to tie garlands on the pillars that are multiples of 5. Dusashan to tie garlands on the pillars that are multiples of 8. Now tell me the first 10 multiples of 5 and 8.
First 10 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
First 10 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80.
So children, do you find any common number to 5 and 8?
Number 40 is common in multiples of 5 and 8.
Good. So both Bhim and Dusashan can decorate the 40th pillar.
In this lesson, the princess learnt about common multiples. Rahul, hope you too understood all the above concepts.
Thank you for teaching me about common multiples. Now that I have learnt it in advance, I shall answer everything in class. Thank you very much and goodbye.
You're welcome, Rahul. Goodbye.